Yo, what's going on YouTube? It's your boy Wingstop Poppy. I'm back at you guys with another video today. Now in today's video we will be doing another sneaker unboxing. The sneaker gods have blessed me once again with a limited pair of sneakers this summer for retail. I can't thank you enough. I don't know why I deserve this. Shout out Nike for blessing me with the W. But anyways, let's get into this review. Now before we get into this video, please hit that like and subscribe. Feel free to follow me on Instagram to see how I style all my sneakers and clothing. Link will be in the description below. But anyways, let's just get right into it. I want to make this video as short as possible so I get it out to you guys ASAP. So anyways, as you guys know, this past Saturday, Nike decided to release the Travis Scott Air Jordan 1 Low. There was a shock drop this past Friday night on Travis Scott's website. I took the L on the shock drop, and then I woke up Saturday morning. I get a notification on my phone at about 8:40. I was literally about to leave for work. While I was getting ready for work, I get a notification on my phone. I saw the update that they were dropping via the draw. I was like, ah shit, here we go. I'm going to take another L, and I'm not going to get them. Because to be honest, this is my first draw win since the Travis Scott Air Jordan 1 sale, which came out last August. So it's been almost a full year since I won a draw on sneakers. And it's kind of weird how it was a Travis Scott. It's like sneakers just knows when there's a draw and Travis Scott's name's involved that they're gonna let me win. I hope that's the case with the sixes because I need the sixes. Sixes are fire. They're probably the best ones that have come out are coming out this year. But anyways, as you guys can see, brown Air Jordan 1 box. Same as the highs, besides the box is a little smaller. Obviously, the high cut shoe is a little bigger than the low. And then we got this sizing tag. Now, I don't have any Air Jordan 1 lows, so I don't know if this is a standard sizing tag. But I personally have never seen this sizing tag before. Just the style of it. So let me know if those are on Air Jordan 1 lows. So the style is Air Jordan 1 low, OG SP-T. SP stands for Special Project. The T probably stands for Travis, I'm assuming. And then our colorway is going to be black, sail, dark mocha, US 10.5, personal pair. And retail is $130. And you got the new QR code, so if you scan that, it pulls up the Nike website. I haven't done it with this pair, but I did it with my Off-Whites, the MCAs. So yeah, it just comes up to the Nike website, which I feel like is stupid. They should send you to like a page for the shoe, or the shoe that you scan should come up. But it is what it is. Getting into the paper now. Take the top off. We got the pink paper now. I said in my high when I reviewed the Jordan 1 or Travis Scott Air Jordan 1 high, I said I love the paper, still love the paper, think it's a nice touch, love the pink colorway, and love all the Cactus Jack, Nike Air, and Air Jordan logos on there. So anyways, let's just get into the meat and potatoes, which is the sneaker itself. And it's beautiful Air Jordan 1 low. Now, right off the bat, I said before this shoe even released that I like the color blocking on the lows better than the highs, and now seeing them in hand, I've seen both in hand, I like the color blocking on the lows better. My opinions haven't changed. I just think the color blocking is a lot better. If they were to use this on the high, because Air Jordan 1 high Travis Scott, I mean, it's a cool shoe, but it just wasn't doing it for me. Like, I would not pay $1,000 for it. I wouldn't pay $1,000 for these either. But I think these are just cool. I like the color blocking better. If the color blocking was this on the highs, I would have been all over it. Way more. I would have liked the highs way better if they used this colorway. But anyways, that's out of the way. So let's just get into the shoe. As you can see, we got 3 different color laces. We got wax red laces, standard pink, standard black. And then we got wax laces already in. Now, I'm not here to gripe, but it would have been nice if they threw a white lace in or a sail lace. Obviously, the white lace would have contrasted nice with the big Nike swoosh. And then the sail obviously would contrast nice with the Off-White midsole. But it is what it is. It's nice enough. They gave us 4 extra pair of laces. And it's a $130 shoe, so I can't really complain. And then we got, right off this bat, let's just start with the Nike Air on the tongue, which is nice. Now, if you guys don't know, I don't own any Air Jordan 1 lows. However, I know I've seen them in stores. All Air Jordan 1 lows don't come with the Nike Air for some reason. I don't really understand that, but every other Air Jordan 1 low has the Jumpman logo, then Air, the standard like Jumpman Air logo. And then these also obviously have the Cactus Jack because they are a Travis Scott collab. On the tongue, our backward swoosh looks absolutely amazing on this shoe. Quality is on point. I know there were some complaints about the highs. There's a lot of issues with the highs. A lot of fake pairs. I don't know what the fakes for these are looking at, so I really don't know like what to tell you guys to look out for. I'm sure there might be a conspiracy coming out, or there's going to be some good fakes. I don't know, but I guess we'll see. Sicko Mode logo on the back. And then we got this like premium nubuck that they use, this like premium nubuck. This feels really nice. It's not black leather. It kind of feels, let me pull out my 4s. It feels a lot better than these Air Jordan 4s. Like, I don't know. Maybe because the shoe's brand new. But this nubuck definitely feels a lot nicer than the Air Jordan 4 Black Cement nubuck. That was just a quick comparison. So they did hit us with the premium materials. The leather on the swoosh feels really good. Now the suede is nice. However, I don't think it's as good as the Air Jordan 1. The high version of these, I don't think it's as good as the suede on those. You kind of got some backstroke motion on there when you rub your thumb, but not really. I mean, it's minimal, but like I said, for $130, they really killed the material on these. It's a pretty nice quality material for a $130 shoe. In my opinion, they could have easily charged $150 for this shoe. Like I said, off-white midsole with the brown bottom, and then we got the red Cactus Jack. I love the red Cactus Jack logo. They could have done it in black or any other color, but I absolutely love that they chose the red. I think that pops so nicely. Let's look at the other shoe. Pretty much same thing. Air Jordan logo on the back is the only difference here. And then we got some like different insoles. That one says Travis Scott. I don't know if you can see in there. And then this one has Cactus Jack with a Jumpman logo. So different insoles on each of the shoes and different backs. Now, I will have to say, after observing these, there's no glue marks on mine. No big flaws. So Nike, shout out to y'all. Y'all took your time with these. I don't think they rushed them. I don't know how many pairs are out on the market. But these are really nice. The craftsmanship is pretty good on these. Like I said, the big thing when you get Nikes or Jordans in general, there's always going to be glue marks. There's always like little flaws. But with these, I mean, I'm looking at them. I don't see anything wrong with these. I mean, there's a little like, kind of like mark down here on this swoosh if I had to be picky. I remember my buddies like Travis Scott, the high that I reviewed had like a little black scuff mark on the white leather. But these, we good on these. These are good. So they really took their time with these, and I appreciate them putting out a high quality product, and especially for $130. I can't complain. Now resale is a completely different story on these. Resale right now is selling at about $800. Travis Scott today came out and said these aren't coming back out again. So my advice to you, if you guys want these, like if you absolutely need them, I would go ahead and grab them right now. The Travis Scott hype is through the roof. I have no idea why people are, or I don't know how like it got to this point where we got people dropping $800 on Air Jordan 1 lows. Air Jordan 1 lows sit on the shelves and Foot Lockers and everything, but Travis Scott, I mean, the king of the youth, man. If you get someone to spend $800 on an Air Jordan 1 low, you are just a god. Honestly, I think he's overtook Virgil for the hype. I mean, everything Travis Scott touches, it's just gold. Like everyone like just eats it up, and it just sells for these ridiculous prices. When I pay $800 for these, when I pay $800 for these, absolutely not. Like I said, it's a nice shoe, good material, but $800 worth, miss me with that. But like I said, if you absolutely need these, you love Travis Scott, you have all the other Travis Scotts, and I would cop them right now. Maybe they're worth $800 to you. I'm not going to tell you that. Don't spend your money on these because it is a high quality shoe. The material is really good. I would say I'd rather spend the bread on these than the highs. The highs just have too many issues with them. Like I would never like, even with StockX, I would never like spend $1,000 on the highs because like there's just been so many problems with that shoe that I'll just never own it because I'm not going to take that risk. But anyways, I'm happy to have these. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm going to do a separate on-foot video because I'm about to exchange these laces out. I'm going to rock them with the red ones. So I'll do an on-foot video. I'll drop that one tomorrow probably. This is just like a quick unboxing, give you guys my overall thoughts of this shoe. Overall, I probably give this shoe like a 8.7 out of 10 just because I love the color blocking like I said. And Nike really killed the quality on these and the craftsmanship. No complaints here. Happy I got these for retail. Can't wait to rock these this summer. Hot Boy Summer 2019. You guys know the drill. One more 360 for y'all. Beautiful, beautiful shoes. And I hope everyone who wanted these got these for retail. If you guys hit for retail, that's what's up. Let me know in the comments how you did on the release. Or let me know if you're going to pay the resale price. You're going to bite that bullet and you absolutely need these, because honestly, they're pretty fire in hand. Real good. I'm so happy to have these for retail. Thank you, Nike, once again. And I am signing out. I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace.